Hi, I'm Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to make a lemon garlic tea. This is great for any cold you might have or any hint of a cold you might be getting. So all you need is a lemon. We're just going to squeeze this really hard until it's really squishy and juicy. That means all the juices will be easy to get out. So now I'm going to cut it in half. Oh, this knife is not very sharp. There we go. We're gonna cut it in half and then we can juice it. I'm sure you know how to use one of these. We use lemon because it has lots of good vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which are really great for your immune system. A lot of times we eat oranges or grapefruit or anything like that. It's really good for fevers especially. So lemon is really high and good for vitamin C. So we're gonna pour that into our mug. It's not all that much. You can do 2 lemons if you want, but it's just to get the flavor. Sometimes you can put the pulp in there. It just depends on how much you want to chew on your tea. Then we also need some garlic. This is just how I chop garlic. You only need 1 clove. And these are a lot of tiny cloves, so I'll just pick a few that are kind of got their skins off already. So there's some bad spots. Garlic is really good for infections because it's like a natural antibiotic. So we're just going to chop these. Get it into little bitty pieces and then we can smash it because then it kind of brings out the oils like that. Oops. It's kind of messy too. I'm messy. Keep chopping and keep smashing until we got a lot of juice coming out of the garlic. That'll make it easier and more accessible. So I think that's pretty good. I like to chew on my garlic too sometimes. We'll just scrape that to the side because we also need some ginger. Ginger sometimes is a little bit harder to peel because it's just really tough. So we're just gonna peel all of it and get off any like dry spots and stuff. So we're going to chop it basically the same like we did the garlic in little pieces. And then keep smashing. Garlic really gets your blood flowing because it's like it's really good for morning sickness because it helps with circulation and you can eat it when you're nauseous or whatever, which sometimes you do get when you're getting sick. So we're gonna just smash that maybe a little quieter than the garlic and keep chopping until it's kind of small. And you can chop it as however small or large you want. So we're gonna also put this in our mug. Very carefully. Alright, then we put some water in it. And depending on how hot you want this, you can also put in some cayenne pepper, which I like to do. It also helps, especially if you have colds, that your nose is running or you got mucus, a lot of mucus and stuff going on. So you can stir that up. You can also strain it into another mug if you want, if you just let it steep for a while covered. We like to, like I said, chew on the pulp and just eat all of it. So then we can put some honey in just to take off the edge a little bit. And there you go. And it was really fast working. I took it once when I had just the slightest little mucus in my throat. I kept having this cough, and I just drank this once and I was done. So enjoy.
Sign up for our newsletter now and you will get a free ebook with more than 49 natural health solutions. Sign up for our newsletter at gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter. Here are some solutions that you get. Cold and flu fighting salve, easy headache relief, smoothie recipes, and 39 more pages with more natural remedies. For info on how to get that big book, then type gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter into your browser right now and hit go. Or click on the link in the description below this video.